everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Crimson Desert not launching or crashing on PC. Follow each solution step by step, and your game should be running without issues. Let's get started. Solution 1. Verify game files. First, open Steam. Go to your library. Locate Crimson Desert. Right-click the game and select Properties. Go to Installed Files. Click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. Wait for Steam to scan and repair your game. Once it's done, try launching the game. Solution 2. Right-click Crimson Desert again and select Properties. Go to Installed Files and click on Browse. Now open the Bin64 folder. Find crimsondesert.exe. Right-click it and select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check Run this program as administrator. Also check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then OK. Now launch the game and see if it works. Solution 3. Open the Start menu and type Device Manager. Open it. Expand Display Adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Wait for the latest driver to install. Solution 4. If you have an NVIDIA GPU, open the Start menu and type NVIDIA App. Open the app. Go to the Drivers tab. Click Check for Updates. Download and install the latest drivers. Solution 5. Install Visual C++ Redistributables. Open the link in the description of this video. Scroll down and find x86. Click on vcredis.x86 to download it. Then download vcredis.x64 as well. Once downloaded, double-click vcredis.x64. Accept the terms. Click Yes. Wait for installation. Click Close. Don't restart yet. Now, double-click vcredis.x86. Click Yes. Accept the terms. Wait for installation. Finally, restart your PC. After completing all these steps, your game should launch without crashing. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.